So feel very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. Make sure you engage your navel and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor. Join your legs together, heel together. When you join your legs together, your arch will not be more, but your spine stretch will be more. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cages, and then arch back. Squeeze your butt, drop your shoulders back, and then arch. Mouth closed, upper jaw and lower jaw in contact with each other.
So roll your shoulders back and lean back. So you're not going to lie down and sleep here. So lean all the way back, and as you keep leaning back, you will feel like at one point you are going to topple and do like this, roll like this. So you don't want that to happen, right? So roll your shoulders back and slowly lean all the way back, just like this. So keeping your back strong and nice and sturdy. And from here, as you inhale, lift your legs slowly off the mat and keeping your upper body position straight right there, and slowly keep breathing normal breath here. Inhale, lift your legs all the way up. Now if you want to hold your legs like this, you could always support your arms just like this behind your thighs, and if you want to leave the arms, 3, 2 and 1. Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. Begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times. Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths.
Place your right leg or left leg 4 feet gap between both the legs forward. Okay. Now shift all the body weight towards your leg that you have placed forward. Place your hand down and raise your leg back. See to that your toes and your hip are in a straight line. Now place your one hand down. My left leg is down, so I'm placing my left hand down, not in line with my left leg, side of my left leg. Try to get the stability. Now gently take your right hand up and then turn your neck. Look at your finger points. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths.
From here, we're going to get our right leg all the way to the outside of your right palm. Descend your left knee onto the mat, toes out, and come up all the way into a low lunge. And look up if you can.
So now once you're ready, just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes, and as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. For number 2, Just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths.